Okay guys, welcome to the channel. This is UK Wrestling Collectibles, and today we're going to be opening a box of 2019 WWE Undisputed trading cards. Right, let's get straight into it. It's my first one of these, not sure what to expect. They look pretty good on the other videos on YouTube, so hopefully we get some good stuff in here. Right, let's open the first one. Okay, so we've got a Dolph Ziggler. Got a Sting. Got an Eric Rowan. Ruby Riot. And oh, not too bad. 49 of 50. Signed t-shirt relic. Not as bad as I first thought when I saw Zack Ryder. Right, second pack. Another art print. Sasha Banks. Asuka. Autograph relic. Sasha Banks. And then Kofi Kingston and Luke Gallows. Pack 3. Drew McIntyre. Nakamura art print. Drake Maverick. Daniel Bryan, 12 of 99. And a shirt relic. Nia Jax. Not too bad so far. Hopefully get some Iconics or AJ Styles. Start off with Rey Mysterio. We go Naomi. Art print of Aleister Black. Harper. And we get Killian Dane. Shirt relic. Number 62 of 99. Pack 5. Get Nakamura. Bo Dallas, Baron Corbin, Miz, and we get an autograph Keith Lee, number 4 of 25. Sting, Day One-ish, Jey Uso, Xavier Woods, Jeff Hardy, and the relic is autograph Nakamura, number 54 of 199. Shayna Baszler, Killian Dane, Liv Morgan, Drew Gulak, Adam Cole, baby, number 12 of 99, Adam Cole. That one's pretty cool. Probably the best one so far. Okay, so we start off with Peyton Royce, Deanna, Aiden English, Selena Vega, and we get Asuka, number 8 of 199. Two more left. Okay, so we start off with Bobby Lashley, Nikki Cross, Bayley, Ricochet, and Pete Dunne, 21 of 199. And the last one. Hopefully it's good. Okay, so the big dog, Alexander Wolf, Alistair Black, Scott Dawson, number 69 of 99. And the last is Ricochet, number 9 of 50. Okay, thanks for joining us, everyone. And yeah, hopefully we'll bring new videos soon.